American Integrity. I'm ready for you whenever you want to come in.
Okay, very good. We're lined up. I'll start picking up speed a little bit.
Roger. Thanks for holding back a little bit.
My pleasure.
Arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal is the American Integrity. The American Integrity was built as the Lewis Wilson Foy in 1978 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 46 feet in depth. She is powered by four 3,500 horsepower 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with 1,500 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Integrity has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 56 by 11 feet in size and what you just heard is known as the captain's salute. It's one long tone of the horn followed by 2 short tones. The American Integrity was saluting the aerial lift bridge, and the bridge was saluting on back. The American Integrity is coming in to load iron ore pellets today at Canadian National. If you see any crew on board, be sure to give them a big wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports. The Integrity has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Integrity is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company in Williamsville, New York. The American Integrity has been owned by 3 different companies over the years. She sailed as the Lewis Wilson Foy under Bethlehem Steel Corporation and the Oglebay Norton under Oglebay Norton Company. And finally, the American Integrity under the American Steamship Company. She has broken several cargo records during her career for iron ore pellets in 2017 and limestone in 1992. Only hauling iron ore pellets or western coal, she is one of the 13,000-foot vessels that currently operate on the Great Lakes. The American Steamship Company is one of the largest American fleets on the Great Lakes. The company has a long another salute there. Once again, this is the American Integrity, built in 1978. She measures 1,000 feet in length, and she has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. She is coming in to load iron ore pellets at Canadian National.